Can't sign into or create an HP Smart account on Chromebook or Android device running Chrome or the Huawei browser. If you cannot sign into your HP Smart account from either the Google Chrome or Huawei browser, follow these steps to fix the issue. The common solution for this issue is to make sure the browser and the HP Smart app are up to date, and then manually open the browser within the HP Smart app. First, restart your Android device or Chromebook, and make sure it is connected to the internet. Next, check the App Store for an update. For Android devices using the Chrome browser, search for Chrome in the Google Play Store, and then select the Update option, if available. For Chromebooks, search for HP Smart in the Google Play Store, and then update the app to version 8.9.0.58 or newer. For mobile devices with the Huawei browser, continue with these steps. Open the HP Smart app, tap App Settings, then tap Sign In. Tap the menu icon in the top right, and then tap either Open in Chrome or Open in Browser. Sign into or create an account. If you can sign in, the issue is fixed and you are done troubleshooting. If you get a "something went wrong" or "account already exists" message after creating an account, close and then reopen the app. Select Sign In, and then enter your credentials. If you still receive a message or were not able to sign into or create an account at all, continue with these steps. Install the Firefox app from your App Store. Then, change the default browser to Firefox. In Android, open the Settings app and search for and open the Default Apps or Default Browser menu. Select Firefox in the list. Open the HP Smart app, and then sign into or create an account. After the printer setup is complete and you can sign in, you can change the default browser back to your preferred web browser.